These palettes are the reason I get excited to do makeup. What's Up Beauty has recently just released and launched their new palette. I was kindly gifted this in PR, and this is the Dragon's Eye palette. Look at the dirt of that mirror. Ew. So this is of course the palette that I did use for today's makeup look. Do we like? Of course we like. It's freaking stunning. I will obviously have everything that I used. In fact, I won't. I'll just have the palette linked down below for you if you want to go and have a wee nosy at it. And of course all the other products as well. I would really highly recommend them. Let's start off with the transition shade. I'm going to take this one here. And I'm also going to be taking this on a What's Up Beauty blending brush. This is the R104. I love the shape of it. It's nice and tapered. So you're able to really get into that crease. And it's nice and fluffy as well, so you're able to get a really nice, seamless blend. And I'm now going to go into Smoke. It's not on the outer corner. I'm just going to deepen this up. I'm going to bring that and pack that right on up to the crease. And just halfway over the lid. Just using pattern motions first of all, just to pack on that shadow. And just place it where I want it before I go in and blend. But also using pattern motions as well, just to do a bit of a pre-blend so that the edges aren't as harsh. I'm going to pack some of that shadow onto just the tip of the brush, and I'm going to bring that over slightly. Just 3/4 way over onto that crease, so that whenever we pack on our shimmer, there's a wee bit of darkness and depth peeking through. Also dragging this dark shade out as well, just creating the shape that I want. So I'm kind of wanting it to extend up and out. Packing more of that on just to deepen it up, and then going back into the 103. So just packing on, blending, packing on and blending. I have no idea what shimmer shade I want to use. I think this shade here is maybe a wee bit too green. It's still absolutely beautiful, but look at that. Oh my god. I'm stuck between these 3 shades here. I'm going to maybe apply one to the lid, then one on top, and then maybe one on the inner corner or something. But they're that nice that I want to use all of them and maybe just kind of see what they look like on top of each other. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, stunning. Also kind of pressing it up to the crease as well. Give my finger a wee bit of a clean, come into the outer corner, give it all a wee bit of a tap, because we don't want a shimmer shade on the lid to just look as if it's just pressed on. You want to blend those edges so everything just melts in seamlessly and there's no harsh lines at all. Once I've finished with the shimmer shades as well, I'm going to go in and obviously deepen up the outer corner. It's looking absolutely stunning. I'm going to take the 110 and I'm going to just do a wee bit of blending here at the inner corner. Obviously the nails going to get in there too much. I'm going to go into Fly. So Fly is this shade here. And I'm going to apply this to the inner corner, overlapping onto that fair shade. Going back into Smoke, which is the darkest shade, I'm going to deepen up that outer corner. We've obviously overlapped that shimmer to the outer corner, which is fine, but I just want to build that depth up again. So this is the NARS, what is this? The High Pigment Eyeliner. Where's my nail? Where's my nail? Where'd my nail go? What have I been scratching? No, that's not even funny. I love my nails at the minute. Really? Oh. That's very brown. I wasn't expecting it to be that brown. It's really like red toned. I am so sorry. I might actually pause this. Hold on. I'm watching a podcast and all I'm hearing is dicks and wanking. I'm so sorry. God, I'm a dirty girl. Alright, that'll do. I'm going to use actually the Made by Mitchell liner. This is the brown one. What shade is this actually? It's not, is it brownie? Brown? points? It is brownie points. So I'm just going to do a wee bit of a thin line. And then for mascara, I have not put this mascara down since they sent me this in PR as well. This is also the What's Up Beauty Watch Me mascara. I love the wand because you get basically 2 wands in the one wand. These are the types of wands and mascaras that I like. I'm not too sure if you'll be able to see or not. And then on the other side you have more of like a plastic bristle type of wand. So this is the side, the plastic bristle one. On this side here, that's the bronze wand that I will use to do my lower lashes because I feel like it really nicely spreads out the lashes, whereas the other side I just like to do my top lashes because I feel like it adds a wee bit more volume, whereas the bottom end I find that creates more length because I don't necessarily care too much about getting length in my top lashes because I'm going to be putting false lashes on anyway. Okay, I'm going to turn the podcast off because we're now talking about anal. I swear I'm not a pervert, it's just what they just so happen to be talking about. Making sure to join the lower lash line to the outer corner as well. Why do my lips look so big? I think I've overlined them far too much today. Oops. Oh, is it sleepy babies? Hmm? Oh dear. Oh dear. Can't give you kisses because I've got lipstick on. No, I can't give you kisses. Oh, I was wondering what the hell was going on with my camera there. I was like, why is it so close? Right. Oh, highlighter! I was like, we're not done. Yeah, so they sent me their 2 highlighters as well. So let me get a brush. Look at the packaging. Isn't that beautiful? And look at the print on the highlighters as well. Isn't that so cute? So they're basically like a double toned highlighter. The shade here is a different colour to this one. So this one is Safari Sunset. I'm going to take this one. I'm going to take this colour here. These are the types of highlighters and the types of products that you don't want to ruin. You don't want to use it because you don't want to ruin like the print. So I'm just going to take like a tiny wee bit of this. I don't really usually like or use as much highlighter anymore, but I still like to use just a wee bit, especially on my nose. Well, I actually go more ham on my nose than anything, to be honest. I'll always be an absolute sucker for a nose highlight. And then just a tiny wee bit in the cheeks, just to add a wee bit of glow. How pretty is that though? I'm gonna get a fan brush. I usually like to use a fan brush for my forehead highlight. I feel like the bristles just kind of hug the curve of your forehead. Okay, so this actually completes the finished look, guys. Should I? Do you know, I really like my hair like this with this hairband on, but I just feel like it looks unfinished. So, and I also have hair extensions in today, so you can probably see them poking out somewhere. Ignore that if you can. I'm every woman. Oh, I forgot to bronze the ear. Bronze the ear. And clean the nose ring. So I changed my nose ring, my nose hook to like this cross situation. When did I change it? So I changed it on Thursday last week. It's now Wednesday. And last night, Kyle turned around to me and says, "You've changed your nose ring." Man. Yes. He will notice if I have been in his garage, and he will notice if I have touched or moved a spanner. What do you think? Freaking beautiful. I go in with really high hopes with these palettes. Whenever I use these palettes, I expect nothing more than absolute perfection. The mattes are so creamy, so blendable, so pigmented. The shimmers are just, the shimmers in these palettes are just, I think, what sets them off and just what sells them. They are the most beautiful shimmers. Like, look at that eye makeup. Like, that green is absolutely stunning. I love the fact that like the palettes, like the color story within the palettes, like all the shades are just so cohesive. Everything works together. The shimmers, the mattes, how it's laid out, the color story, everything is just so yummy. How the shimmers are is just absolutely beautiful. They have the most beautiful array of like duochrome multi-tonal shimmers that are just going to look beautiful on their own, beautiful packed on top of the mattes, and just beautiful also mixed in with a couple of the other shimmers as well to kind of create your own dimension of shimmer. Absolutely beautiful. I expect nothing less from these eyeshadow palettes. Absolutely gorgeous. But of course, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.